Hi, boys and girls. So, today we're going to be introducing your academic vocabulary for lesson 10. So, the first vocabulary word that we're going to go over is the word litter, which is a noun and it means one, either to carry a covered bed with long poles at the bottom for carrying someone of high importance, two, trash lying on the ground, or three, a group of baby animals born at the same time. So that's wow, that's three different meanings. So litter could be maybe trash that you see outside, a group of baby animals, so a litter of cats, and then something to carry someone of high importance. The next vocabulary word is quinoa, which is a noun. It is a plant that grows in the Andes Mountains with seeds used as food or ground into flour. I love quinoa. It kind of looks like maybe some rice or things like that, and it's very good for you. It's seeds, it's food that, like they said, you can ground into flour. So Miss Rogers loves quinoa. The next vocabulary word is condemn. It is a verb to say in a strong way that something is bad or wrong. So condemning, that could be saying that maybe walking on the wrong side of the street or driving down the street and someone saying that's wrong to do. That can be an example of condemning, and it's a verb. The next vocabulary word is primitive, which means simple, is an adjective that means simple or basic. So, primitive. So, just writing your name on the paper, that's a primitive step when you're in middle school or higher elementary school or in high school. So, it's just a simple or basic step that you guys should know. The next vocabulary word is suspension bridge, which is a noun. It's a crossing hung from cables attached to towers. So that could be that was a way for people to travel and transportation during those early civilization times. And then the last vocabulary word is swift-footed, is which is an adjective. It means quick. Um, so yes, they in the reader, we will see as we go through the chapter that they had swift-footed messengers. So these were messengers and people that were able to walk so fast to get one message from the empire to the person that needed to retrieve it. So these are your vocabulary words. Also, boys and girls, these are your personification table here, and it's able for you to go through and pronounce these words that you'll see throughout. And this is your vocabulary chart, your core vocabulary, multiple meaning, and things like this. Boys and girls, I hope that you and I encourage you to write these down in your journal. Make sure that you create sentences with these words and start to implement these words into your everyday vocabulary. And take some time and look at your pronunciation table so that you're aware, boys and girls, of the words that you're going to need to know how to pronounce, your vocabulary chart, and just implement these into your everyday vocabulary. And as you write and continue to write throughout this lesson and read, just make sure that you're aware and you look at these words that you're reading. So, good job, boys and girls, and let's move on into our reading lesson for today.